If you've noticed that your headlights are hazier or not as crisp as they once were, to clean these yellowish and foggy headlights, we are going to use a new method here. Cover the headlights with tissue paper and soak with bleach. The secret is this. Yes, liquid bleach. We are going to use liquid bleach to clean headlights. Let it sit for 15 minutes. You can use any brand available at your home. We'll also use baking soda and a sponge to clean the headlights. Now remove the cover and wash them with baking soda. As far as bleach goes, chlorine bleach packs the most powerful punch. One part baking soda with 3 parts water. Use a soft sponge to avoid scratches. Our headlights are shining like new. We must say that this is the cheapest method to restore headlights. Never seen before and never used before. All you need is a bleach and baking soda. I hope you like our video. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel IMTV.